Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Jamaican Roads. Alright, we're going to be driving through Kingston today, or more accurately St. Andrew. We're currently driving out of Clock Tower Plaza in Halfway Tree. Security wants to collect some ticket, but we don't have one. So we're going to turn left onto Halfway Tree Road now. That's York Pharmacy right in front of us. So we are now on Halfway Tree Road. On the left is Scotiabank that we're coming up on now. On the right is the Rubis gas station. Okay, that tall building on the left now is the Usain Bolt building. It's currently a call center. On the right, we passed the Holy Cross Church, and now we're passing Victoria Mutual. Okay, we're going to keep on Halfway Tree Road until we turn left onto Ruthven Road. As you can see, that motorbike just ran the red lights. Sometimes you have to wonder if the road code applies to motorbikes. Okay, we're coming up to Ruthven Road now, so we're going to turn left. And as we're turning left, you're going to see the JPS office on the right hand side. On the left is the Hotel Four Seasons. On the right, we just passed the back entrance to the Knutsford Court Hotel. Okay, this intersection we're coming up to now is Winchester Avenue, but we're going to go straight and keep on Ruthven Road. Actually, Winchester Road. On the right is one of those new apartment complexes. The apartment complex is called the Ruthven Towers. Okay, this road in front of us now is Trafalgar Road. Time in Jamaica is about 3:30 p.m. So this is not even rush hour traffic, it's just evening traffic, I guess. Okay, so we're going to turn left onto Trafalgar Road now. Okay, so in front of us is a stoplight, and that will be the intersection of Trafalgar Road and Hope Road. And when we go straight across, that's Waterloo Road. Okay, so we're going across the stoplight or the intersection, and we're now on Waterloo Road. On the left is Devon House. On the right is Devon House. On the left is the Salvation Army headquarters.